Right, fourth graders, your learning target is what words will convince my readers. Writers use words that sound strong and forceful. An example, something has to change. Writers have a reason for choosing their words. They want their audience to feel the way they do. Some examples of words that cause positive feelings: better, new, exciting, delight, safe, delicious, known as also good feelings or happy feelings. Words that cause negative feelings are bad or sad feelings: dangerous, nuisance, rough, scary, wild, challenging, difficult. I'm going to show you an example that you've seen from me, and that's right here, my first reason, which is about improving the performance of the students. And I need to think about, how do I want people to feel about that? Do I want them to feel that it's a good thing that it improves performance, or a bad thing? Well, I want it to feel good. I want the audience to feel like this is a good thing. So I'm looking to make sure I've used words that would cause positive feelings. Like I see improves. If something improves, I know that is a good feeling. So I can see right there that even though this wasn't on my list, that is a word that causes good feelings. As I'm looking at my writing, though, I realize that it's really more talking about the negative. So I want them to realize that they should feel they need year-round school, and I'm really using a lot of negatives because I'm talking. So here's a positive where I'm talking about dropout rate goes down when you have year-round school. Here, where I'm talking about takes 8 to 13 weeks at the beginning of the year to learn new stuff, when school is year-round, this is not a problem. So that's kind of negative, really. So maybe I'm going to say something about like challenging or difficult. I think that might be able to fit in there. I could say which makes learning difficult. And then I could say, I could keep this sentence: when school is year-round, this is not a problem. Now we have disadvantaged students such as EL, or students in poor families lose 27% of their learning over the summer. So again, I'm looking at some of these negative words. Maybe I can make challenging in there. I could say, which makes school very challenging. So really, at first I thought I was going to make this more positive, but then when I was looking at what I wrote, I realized it's kind of a lot of negative words. So I'm trying to convince the reader, using some negative words, why there should be year-round school. So our learning target again was writers, or what words will convince my readers. So we looked at, you can use words that cause positive feelings, or you can use words that cause negative feelings. And the most that I was using here in this paragraph was negative. So make sure that you're thinking very carefully about your words and why you choose them.